Hey guys, this is me Harshita and welcome back to my channel. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So today we're gonna see how to make these yummy brownies. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I have about 100 grams of dark compound chocolate. To this I'm gonna add about 50 grams of butter. I've used salted butter here. Now I'm gonna microwave it. If you want, you can double boil it too. To this add 1 cup of sugar. I've used regular sugar, you can use powdered sugar as well. Just give it a good mix. Now add 2 eggs. If you don't want to add it, just skip it. Now beat it well. Now add 1 cup of maida in batches. Gently cut and fold and mix it in this way. Now add the rest and mix it gently. Now add 1 spoon of cocoa powder and about 1/4 spoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Now add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. This is optional. Now add half a cup of milk, but if you've skipped the eggs, then you need to add 1 cup of milk. Now mix it. Don't overmix it, otherwise the brownie will turn out to be hard and it's not going to be fluffy at all. Now here I have a 8 into 6 inch square mold. I have greased it with some butter and lined it with some butter paper. Grease it again with some butter. Now add the batter. Spread it evenly using a spoon or a spatula. You can even top it with some chopped almonds if you like to. Now I'm gonna bake this in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I've put up the instructions for both convection and kadai. Now my brownie is baked and I'm gonna check it using a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then you're good to go. Now after it cools down completely, demold it and we're gonna cut it into equal halves. Use a clean knife for each and every cut. So this is how it looks. It's very fluffy and it tastes amazing. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.